Okay, we're back. This one goes on the driver's side. I did a fit on both of them. And the full round one goes on the passenger side. We're going to put our speakers in first. You're right back. I'm coming around to the other side. Here's the wires it come with. Like I said, I'm just going to use these. I'll have to cut them to see if they're copper or aluminum. If they're aluminum, I can't use them, because I don't like aluminum wires. Okay. Jesus, these things are small. Oh well. There we go. Come with a lot of fucking brackets, huh? Don't know what those are for, but oh well. I ain't getting using this setup. Well, I think I know what they're for now. I think it's a washer. A weird fucking washer, but how is this supposed to work? The only way I can see it works is if I clip this off. Like that. Now the screw won't pull through the speaker. It's the only way I can see that it'll work. guess that'll hold in. I don't know. No, what we're gonna go to manual on this one. Here we go with the bracket. In order to use it, I have to clip this thing off. Like that. I have no clue what that is. Okay, that one's secured. There we go. This speaker here will go in this hole. I'll have to kind of do a little weeble wobbling around to get it to fit, but now the other one. This is going to be the motherfucker one, because this one's in a very small area. Enclosed area. I think I know how these work now. I think they go on just like that. So I was just studying them. And I think that's how they work. That one I had to clip off regardless because it was... oh shit. Not square. This screw ain't gonna hold for shit. Well, we'll have to try it, so. Then as we did on the back speakers a while back, we're going to do the stripe is negative. So. Well, yeah. Okay, that one's on. That one's on. See? I'm going to do the same thing for the other. I'm going to go get my wire and my wiring pliers, and I'll be right back. So, see y'all in a little bit.